Hi, I'm going to show some tips for using ATI. Here's the ATI GUI. You can learn how to use the basic features in other videos. All you do is hit the button, it'll push out a table, and then you can go over to Azure and see what it did. 1, 2, 3. And then we can play around a little bit. Let's put in like a 20% here. We want this. This is Excel, but I'm going to just edit it right here just because it's easier. It's really not made to be a viewer or editor, but this will be a quick demo. So I've changed that to a percent. Let's see what happened over here. It turned it into 20%. And let's put some money here. See what it does with money. Put some money here. See what it does with that. It got rid of the dollar sign. And we could do other things over here. Let's put in a date. And so it turned it into a date. And what I'm trying to outline is it looks at that first row and decides what type it thinks you want. So it says, okay, that the decimal with 2 places is a percent. It also did that for the $19.22. And then it said, oh, the third one must be a date, so we're going to call it a date. Let's go over here again. Then I want to show you what it does with bad data. That's really, to me, a benefit of this thing. Again, this is not an editor, but I know how to use it as an editor. Can put those 3 rows in. Go over to Azure. And they went in. Now I'm going to put some some junk in here, some bad data. So this is a percent, but I'm going to put in like words here, and I'm going to put in like let's put in some percent. Just put some junk in here and see what happens. You know, normally you'd spend time cleaning data, but so it does best effort. So it took that, and over here in Azure, it said the word words is definitely not a percent, so just put in a null. The junk data in this actually took it as a 20, and then the blank put it in as a null. So this isn't super hot, but you can deal with it. And then the date stayed the same. So let's see what else we can do here. Put some more holes. See if it gets the holes right. And it's like I said, it's best effort. It's going to do the best it can to put that in here, sort of assuming that bad data would just be replaced by nulls. So you can see it got these the best it could. So those are some tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if it makes any sense. Really, it's based on this first row here. Whatever it sees as the first row, it'll use that to dictate the type. And over here, we can look at this again. Decimal, date, like that. Thanks for watching.